Okay, so actually with the tutorial video is very inadequate. I was not able to watch the video and able to use it. I have to hire additional support from Fiverr to help me to explain how to use this. And the worst thing is even the uh, experts in Unity, those experts in Unity, they are not able to understand this plugin and able to advise me sufficiently to use. Okay, for example, I don't know why this plugin have this error here. Okay, so I don't know why. That's why even the experts in the Unity, they not able to help me with this. Okay, this is one thing, and then one more thing is I have to play this scene called Home Designer in order to create scene. Okay, this one was also not explained in a tutorial video. Okay, I have to ask the Unity expert not able to come and advise me. So I have to press play. So after I press play, I can, so over here they got some function. I think the video never explained what's this export to FBX. So if I go to this one, I can load some of the template I created. Okay, so I created this one so I can load it. So when I load it, it has this perspective. Then they have this roof. You can see the roof. Then they have this extended wall. So there is this FBX. I don't know what this FBX is for. And got perspective, got roof, the quick, can ask question. Okay. Okay, so after I try to, the expert advised me to add my own module. So after I add my own module, I was not able to get the thumbnail to appear. So there's no thumbnail here. So this one is also one of the problems, and I need help on this, but I couldn't get any help on this. So currently I'm still not having any thumbnail. Okay, because you can see over here, I actually had to get help from the Fiverr. So that is Fiverr. Okay, so I have to ask them for help. Okay, I have to spend additional money to get help because of the video tutorial is insufficient, and then even though money is spent, they still not able to help me to clear the error message, which I don't know what is this. Okay,